VEVOR, contact me and say, hey, would you want to test and try out a plasma cutter? And I say, yes, I do. And so this is going to be my unbiased opinion about this thing right here. It's a Cut-50P Plasma Cutter. So I'm one of the persons that's left, I guess, that actually reads the instructions. With that said, let's open it up. Thing about a box opening, piece of equipment and all, you only get to do it one time. It's either right or wrong. So, man, that's some of that good packing right there. That's some good stuff right there, you know, packed well with that kind. I'm just saying, I'm getting at the instructions down here is what I'm going to do. And I'm going to read them instructions before I go much further. So, that's going to be them cables right there. So, oh yeah, look at that. What I'm talking about. This is a new item for me. All my histories in the past, this is a first for me. But before I go any further, I'm gonna go get a cup of coffee, and I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna read this. I'm going to read this instruction manual. That way at least I'll know what they wanted me to know. Oh, that's some good looking stuff in there. My, I don't want to get carried away too further without reading instructions, but you know what I mean? That's one of them plug-ins right there, you know. I think I'm not going to go any further. Read instructions. I'll be back. Well, pressure regulator, one of them extension from a 110 to 220 there, according to what kind of voltage you got wherever you're at. And then we got that's that tape for them threads, and the ground cable, copper, strap and all. Lug fitting, double nutted, good tight heavy spring. There won't be no problem with that thing. With that gripping, and one of them twist in and turn. And that's a DKJ 10-25, and this is one of them. I done already had that cup of coffee. Let's get this, I'm going to get it out there in the drive, and we'll cut some metal. That's the on and off. That's where the air goes in it right there. Right there's them two screws to put that regulator on there. That's that 220 plug right there. Holes in the top for that cable thing. It's a Cut 50P, one dial, simple, 4 hookups, labeled. We see what's in the box. Yeah. I'll get that open. We'll get a close-up view on that right there. I done already read that. I read this thing here from front to back. So let's put it together. This is what I have to work with. Thread tape, 4 clamps, 4 bolts. 2 of these things goes up there. This cable, and I cut that in 2 right there. That's all I'm going to need right there. All right then, let's go cut some metal. I could weld that. One-eighth inch thick mild steel. We'll cut some aluminum now. Cut that aluminum like butter.